got a little breather. Right, doesn't want to turn on. Okay, move off to the side. A little bit halfway. Really feel it. Yeah, some of these snowdrifts are like way deep. Whoever came through here first, and super workout. It's a little tough. It's a little trail. I'm trying to get tip of every season, and then I can mash them together. Least favorite season is winter. So how cold it gets, your skin and your blood can turn to ice. You get so much snow, it mobilizes you, traps you in your home. Plants don't really grow, they go dormant. Alright, come on this way. Riley, come on. We're not going the full way today. We're getting a workout as this. Come on, this way. Hey, come on. Hey, come on, this way. Come on, Riley. Hey, see how stubborn he is. He's spoiled, but at the same time he's not, because I'm poor. But I care for all I can. I'm brought to like 6 different vets throughout the years. He's 11, so maybe like 7 vets, and they all wanted money. They really didn't care about the dog. And yeah, don't trust them. Don't trust doctors. Don't trust vets. Don't trust lawyers or judges. I don't really trust anyone except my dog. Come on. Look at geese are staying high. I guess I trust the animals. Alright, hey, come on, Riley. Some of them. Some have predators. Rip your face off and eat you. Come on, Riley. Hey, bears and lions and tigers. Oh my. This dog is so spoiled, dude. I don't want to do this whole thing because I'm lazy, right? Alright, Riley, come on. Hey, come on. This way. Come. No. Hey. No. Come. 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 Riley, come. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know, dude. Come on. Hey. Yeah, not today. Come on. Come on. Riley. I'm gonna carry you. I'm gonna carry you. Come on. Hey, let's go this way. Come on. Hey, this way. This way. Come on. Good boy. Nah, he didn't have to shovel the trail for him in the backyard this morning. Or have to shovel the driveway. Clean the car. Didn't even eat breakfast. I've hardly ate anything lately as it is. Oh, probably burning muscle at this point. And I don't want him getting like frostnip or anything. Already pushing it.